Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Ducati Multistrada 950S. Beautiful sport touring, L-twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got the Ducati safety pack, running lights, hand guards. This bike is really cool. Only 25,000 miles. It's got the outer rim spoke tires, so they're tubeless. Top case. Come on by and make your Ducati Multistrada dreams come true for just $11,999. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Wow. Powerhouse. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.